Hey guys, in this episode we are going to use LM Studio once again, and we are going to test MedGemma 1.5 with 4 billion parameters model. And before we continue, keep in mind that this is for educational purposes only. MedGemma is trained in order to help in disease diagnostic process, and it cannot replace people educated in the field of medicine. And as you can see, with LM Studio we can download the multiple models of this sort, and I'm going to go with the MedGemma 1.5. With this model you can select among different versions, and as you can see, all of these versions can work well with my machine, so I'm going to install this biggest one. And now I'm going to fast forward this process. Wonderful, I'm going to use this one in new chat. And as you can see in here, it supports visual functions. So I'm going to load one image. This is some virus. I'm going to open it. Please describe this image to me. So this is computer generated representation of coronavirus. Okay, good to know. Let's try something else. Well, I'm not a medical worker, but I think that this is some kind of bacteria. Let's try it. Describe this image to me. Yeah, it is bacteria. Well, great, it's both effective and fast. Let's try with this third image that I have. It's image from a radiological examination, okay. Well, yeah, it works quite well, and now I'm going to try with simple question. What are symptoms of coronavirus? Yeah, I have more information than I expected. And it's still coming. So guys, that's all for this episode. I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!